You see, many people don't understand why we come out here, why we partake of this, why we enjoy the silence and the sanctity of this location. And I tell you, the Everglades is the promised land. Everybody has their own rendition of what the promised land is. This is the promised land. It gets you closer to God, it gets you closer to all the animals, it gets you closer to everything. And when you leave here, whatever troubles that were in your heart, they disappear. This is why we love the Everglades, and why you should love it too. You know, Gregory Dubignon once told me that every place was a prime spot. That if you stayed very quiet, you can hear the birds, you can hear everything. It's only when we move around that we're distracted.
Sometimes enough is enough, you know, man. So I try to sit there and punch them damn keyboards, and it's like my freaking brain's gonna explode, man. I come out here, so it puts me right back where I need to be. Breathing that air, son. Praise the Lord.
I always say it's not the journey that defines us, but rather it is the steps that take us there.